In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a photo from Google Photos with a link. By the end, you'll know exactly how to generate a shareable link and send it anywhere you like, quickly and confidently. First, open Google Photos. If you're on a phone or tablet, tap the Google Photos app. On a computer, go to photos.google.com in your browser and sign in if you aren't already. A steady internet connection helps, since you'll be creating a link online. Next, select your photo and tap to open it. Browse your library or albums and choose the exact photo you want to share. Tap or click the thumbnail to open it full screen so you can double check it's the right one before you create a link. Now tap Share. On mobile, look for the share icon, which usually looks like three dots connected by lines or a box with an arrow depending on your device. On desktop, you'll find the share option at the top right. This opens the sharing panel with different ways to send your photo. In the sharing options, tap Get Link. In some versions, it may say Create Link. It's the same option. When you select it, Google Photos prepares a unique shareable URL for that specific photo. This may take a moment, especially if your connection is slow or the image is large. Once the link is ready, it will be created and automatically copied to your clipboard. You should see a brief confirmation message like Link Copied. That means you don't need to manually select or highlight anything. The link is ready to paste right away. You can now use the link to share the photo. Open your messaging app, email, chat, or document, place your cursor where you want the link, and paste. On a phone, tap and hold in the text field and choose Paste. On a computer, press Ctrl+V or Command+V. Anyone with the link will be able to view the photo even if they don't use Google Photos, so share it only with people you trust. If you ever need to stop sharing later, you can return to that photo's sharing options to manage the link. A few quick tips as you share. If you don't immediately see Get Link, scroll in the Share panel or look for Create Link. Make sure you're sharing the correct photo by previewing it full screen. And remember, the link is already on your clipboard, so you can paste it into multiple places without generating it again. That's it. Simple, fast, and reliable. Thanks for watching and happy sharing.